In this video, we will be discussing how heat energy and the movement of particles causes diffusion. For this experiment, we timed how long it took for tea leaves to diffuse in a beaker of hot water. This experiment uses diffusion. How does diffusion work? Diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration until the concentration becomes equal, called equilibrium. In liquid diffusion, the particles grab hold of the substance being diffused, carrying them away from the main clump of particles. Diffusion will only occur if the force of attraction between the tea and the water particles is stronger than the attraction between the tea's particles to each other. Diffusion can occur in areas that contain gas or liquid. For this experiment, it's a lot easier to tell when particles are diffusing because of the colour let out by the tea leaves. While the diffusion occurs, I'll explain how heat energy can increase the rate of diffusion. Now, we already know that when heat energy is applied to particles, their kinetic energy increases, meaning they move a lot faster. So, by applying heat to diffusion, the rate at which the particles are spread out and carried will speed up as the particles are now moving faster. The same logic can be applied. Cooling the particles lead to a rate of slower diffusion. Due to the time limits of our period, we were not able to see whether the tea had fully diffused or not. However, here is the colour at the end.